Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can add images in your app and make it more nice looking. So let's get started. First, come to thunkable.com/projects, sign in yourself, click on create a new project, enter your project name here. Uh, Project name is equals to app name only. So my project name I want to set as image imager. Then it is give it any category which you want, like if it is related to books, business to business, something like this. I'm making it for educational purpose, so that's why I'm choosing education. Then make sure that use the drag and drop builder is checked here. Then click on create. Yeah, here it is a blank screen. Then go to this add components, search here image, drag it here, then picture to. If you want to upload file, you can click on this and select your image here. And if you want to type your URL here, you can type it. I will go and search about an image of a dog image. See, it's nice looking. I will copy link address, then click on this type in URL. Here it is. It is not working, so I will click on upload files and upload a random file here. I I will choose this, my YouTube videos thumbnail. Yeah, here it is. If you want to, if you want to change its size, you can come here. See if X, you can increase X if you want X. This is just for this type of settings. Then if you want to change its width, you can change it to, I want to change it to 500. Okay, no, 250. It's coming. And this is also 250. Okay, I will try something else. 300. No, no, it should be 250 and this should be 300. Yeah, see, it is coming. Um, then see, it contains this type of code. When image 1 is clicked, go to second screen. Uh, so for making a second screen, I made a previous video. You can check it after seeing this video, or you can just click on this plus option. It will create a new screen. I will add here. I will add a label here. Label here. Its text should be welcome. I will increase font size. Yeah, I will make it bold, italic, and underlined. That's Okay, and if you want to give it a background color, you can give it like to say purple, border color to blue, width to change its width to 2 or 3. If you want to set any type of radius, you can set here. If I want to give it 26, it's giving it radius, which makes it nice looking. So come to screen 1, go to blocks. When image 1 is clicked, click go on control, click on navigate to second screen. Then if we will click on this image, it will take us to second screen. And if you want to give radius to this image also, you can come here border radius to see 44 or 50. And if you want to make it circle, as you can see this logo is in circle, so you can come over here and type 360. See, see, it is a perfect circle. Yeah, it is a perfect circle. Height to see, it's coming. Okay. If you want to give it a border, you can give it color to green and going border. Increase it with, see, it's coming there. This is all about image. This is in today's video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.